An office picketing called by pressure groups that include the KSU, the FKJGP, the HNYF, the JSU and the RBYF on Friday, the 25th of November 2022, saw a thin attendance of staff in most government and private offices across Shillong city. The streets wore a deserted look as shops and most commercial establishments remained closed for fear of any untoward incident that may result due to the non-cooperation movement called by the 5 NGOs as a mark of protest against the government's inability to ensure safety and security amongst residents in border areas between Meghalaya and Assam.